Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys! Eto guys, sa video na to, i-share ko lamang sa inyo kung ano yung ginawa ko ngayong madaling araw. Ayan. Kagabi kasi nakagawa ako ng yummy fruit salad with grapes, with pineapple, with papaya, with prune, with apple, and with cheese. Ayan. And the 3 milk mixture. So sabi ko, I want this fruit salad to become more yummier. At meron na din pala yan guys na strawberry. Maraming strawberry akong nilagay dyan. Yung ano kasi, yung strawberry, si Bulilit ko pa yung favorite niya yun. So, isasabay ko na lang. So, ayan yung fresh strawberries. I-slice na natin siya guys. Look. Nakabili ko lamang yung strawberry. Isang pack noon. Bili ko is 100 pesos. So, yung kalahati, minix ko na dun sa salad. At yan na natira na ini-slice ko ay ilalagay natin as topping. So, panoorin nyo guys kung paano ko gagawin yung toppings ng strawberry. Ayan. The best yan guys kasi very healthy talaga guys ang strawberry. Very healthy yung strawberry. Serve natin yan guys sa mga bata. Even na normal days, lagi akong bumibili ng strawberry guys kasi napaka po niya, napaka healthy. It's in phytonutrients and anti-cancer. According to research, yung mga nabasa natin na article, it's very rich in antioxidant. Okay? So ayan, as you can see, as we all know that my channel promotes health and wellness. So from time to time, I used to share good stories where you guys can learn from with and can get us.
Ayan guys,
So,
dahil na-slice na natin
right
ang
now, I'm slicing the
strawberries, ilalagay na natin po.
Okay. So tingnan nyo
Yes,
guys.
putting it all.